Today at Woodman Nissan, we are installing a leveling kit on a 2024 Nissan Frontier. We're going to take off the strut and shock. We're going to get on in there, place a couple things. We're going to come around over here in the back. We're going to install some spacers. I'm going to go right here in this area. And this side hasn't been taken apart yet, and we're going to get there. Look what Nismo has in store for us. Some brand new spots. We've got blocks, we've got plates, we've got brake bracket extensions, new U-bolts, alignment adjustment bolts. And also in all this, we're going to be installing some new valve stem caps, a new Nismo badge, and some fancy lug nuts. Check these little babies out. Everyone says Nismo. So here we are with the installation of our new lift kit. We've got these fancy bracket relocators here that we showed you earlier for the bump stops. Got our struts and everything installed. Brand new alignment caster bolts. For getting everything into spec, we're going to have those in the front and rear of the control arm. Coming down here down the bottom side, we got our brand new bolts, our fancy little spacers, and everything looking good. Here we are with our 2025 Nissan Frontier. Brand new leveling kit. Got some bigger tires, 285 70/17s. Nismo lug nuts. Nismo valve stems. Everything fits and looks great. Rugged off-road machine. Here we are, everybody. 2025 Nismo Pro 4X, made by us. We've got some larger tires, 285 70/17s. We've got the off-road sliders, some bigger tires, again. Looking good. On these wheels, we've even got the Nismo valve stem cap, Nismo lug nuts. It was meant to be. Here we go.